Yeah, let's make it short. I have 3 rims here with bad curb rash and my job is to fix these scratches and to show you how to do it. Let's start. The first step is of course cleaning. We are cleaning most of the brake dust and the general dust. So we have perfect clean rims. Super important before we can start repairing and painting. The next step is sanding. I have to sand down all the deep scratches with a rotary sander and I'm going with 320 grit. What we need at next is some aluminum putty to fill all these scratches. It's a 2-component system, so I have to add hardener and I have to mix it. I don't need much, only a little bit. We add the hardener and then we can fill these scratches. The next step is again sanding, but this time with 400 grit. Let's mix some primer. I'm going with epoxy because that sticks perfect on aluminum and it gets super hard. And I have a gray color, so I have to mix also a gray primer from 2 components, a white and a black. And I have to do also some hardener because, as mentioned, it's a 2-component system and that doesn't mean the color. It means the epoxy itself and the hardener. And I'm going with an airbrush and a 0.4 nozzle because a normal spray gun would be much too big for these small scratches. And an airbrush is perfect if you want to spot these areas. So the primer first. The next step is wet sanding with 1200 grit wet sanding paper to remove all the gaps caused by the masking tape. So I dip my sandpaper into a bucket of water and then I can do the hand sanding. And the next and most tricky part is to find the color of the rims, and every custom painter or body painter has these color charts so we can use them. These are original car colors. And now I can check what fits best, and I guess I will go with this one. Then I can use a color software to mix exactly this tone. And I'm going again with the 0.4 nozzle. Let's put it in color. And now I have to be super careful. I can do only a light dusting to match the color perfect. If you spray too much, it will be visible. And that's the magic of spot repair. And the next thing I have to apply is a 2-component high solid clear coat to protect the color, because that's only a base coat. And yeah, to protect this, I need a gloss clear coat like on original on these rims. Let's do it. And the last step to do is polishing. What you need for polishing is a 2000 grit wet sanding paper, polishing cloth, a cut compound, and of course a polishing machine with an 80mm disc. And we are starting with sanding. What we have to do is we have to remove all the shading from the clear coat between the old and the new clear coat. And you have to be super careful not to damage your paintwork. And when you've done that, it's time for polishing. We are starting with the polishing machine. And you have to do this process on all the areas where you have overspray between the new and the old paint job. It takes a while, but it's necessary. And when you have a super gloss finish, this repair paint job's done. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Good luck painting your own wheels, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.